Day 3. Hey. Not my better AI.
We've got a better AI.
Yes, they do.
What we've done over the last 35 years, the investors are worried about.
And we will slowly take that route.
You should. This is like real tech.
So the company Home has been incubated by a 30-year-old engineer.
Oh yeah, this is all us. And then you see the laser here.
Our whole goal is not to be Our goal is to allow on the habitat.
Okay.
So we are monitoring in real time, live streaming the video.
I forgotten to get a video. And the founder too. Sorry. Need not speak.
Let's go, guys.
In that market. So to give yourself a fighting chance to create a big successful company, you need to pick a market. Whenever you face adversity and of course there are lots of books like Blitzscaling that's all about don't worry. In theory, there's your failures and trying again. So my question to you, with all the
As a reporter, we know that the teachers were thrust into this.
Only one.
Oh, let's do it.
Oh wait.
What we have done is we've patented a process for rendering AR that is about
These handgun owners,
Qualcomm device, all these devices.
Nice.
Day here. Let's welcome to the stage.
I know day of collision. Final day.
Solo por mirarte, búscate y te canto porque tú me cantas.
It's on. Yay.
I'm great for selfies.
like not saying a single word.
I'm gonna be sleeping for the rest of the week. Wonder if I can get to the stage. Today was the last day of collision and it's been insane. We came, we saw, and we attended everything. Bye, beautiful people. Bye. Love the. Food! 111!
There'll be plenty of time to talk. Just give us a
111 and la. Oh, this place a lot. 11 party ended at 11. Okay. This is in focus, probably not. best moment of my life so far. This was for the antler party. So